Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to teach you about an prank which is called an SMS or call bombing prank. Okay, this video is completely for the educational purpose. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to open our browser. As you can see, I have already opened the URL. You can just copy this URL from the video screen. Okay, it is on github.com/the speedx dbomb. This is an attacking tool. Okay, so today we are going to use this tool. This is an SMS and call bomber for the Linux and Termux. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, let's read it about this is a free and open source SMS and call bombing application. Due to over has been taken down. This is okay if you do not receive any messages. Okay, it might work, it might not work. Let's check this one. Is it working or not? Okay. Uh, First of all, let me check my PHP version. Okay. Okay. My version is completely up to date. Let's get started. Pip. Okay. Okay. Pip is already installed. Okay. I'll have to use this command to install tbomb, and by running tbomb, it will stop. Okay. Let's get into it. First of all, we'll download this repository. Download folder. Let's create another folder with called hacking tools, hack underscore tools, and we'll save this file here, tbomb master. Okay, it is downloaded. Let me just hack tools and let's extract. Okay, it is already extracted. Let's get to our terminal. Okay, let me get my root access. Okay, now I'm into the root. Let's me check where I am right now. Okay, ls. Okay, I'm completely at the home page. Let's get into the, as you can see, as you know that we are debombing master file is in the download folder. So we'll move to the downloads and let's ls. Okay, mm, where is it? Okay, our file is in the hack underscore tools. So we'll move into the hack underscore tools ls. Let's clear this one. Let's clear and then ls. Okay, let's move into the bomb master and then ls. Let me clear this one too and then ls. Okay, so this is our main file which is going to be running. Let's see the commands. They're asking us to install the pip install tbomb. Okay, run the tbomb by just typing. Let's just check by typing the tbomb. Okay, pip. Will it work? The environment is externally managed. Okay. Okay. Let's me just clear this one. Let's. Okay. It is an sh file. Let's try to run this file directly. Let's see what will happen. Okay, it's directly working. We don't need to do anything as recommended in this page. Kindly move to the PIP version or stable version. Okay, let's get started with this one. The requirement installed. Place any key to continue. Okay. Okay. Now our tool is ready. Let me just take my cell phone and let's just try whether this tool works or not. Just a second. Let's go with the SMS bombing. Let's click with one. It is asking me to enter my country code. So I'm going to enter my country code. You can enter your own country code from which you belong. Okay. As I'm from India, I'm entering my country code as 91 and I'm going to enter my target number. So I'm not going to show you my number. This area will be blurred, so don't worry. I just don't want to get 500 messages. Let me just try with the 10 messages. Delay time is just 2 seconds. Number of threads recommended. Okay, 1. Press Z to suspend or bomber. Suspend the bomber and enter to resume it. We'll continue with the bomber and I am going to hit enter. And the T bombing in speed access been started. Till now I haven't received any messages yet. I'm still waiting. Okay, just now I have started getting messages. As you can see, I have got one message till now. This is from the housing. I'm waiting for another messages. It is saying that it has sent 6 successfully messages, sent 6 and successful is 4, failed is 3, but I have received just one message. Okay, I have received the second message also. This tool, guys, works, but I'm not going to say that it is 100% working tool. It does work, but you need to have the patience. Patience is very important, guys, because you need to keep your screen on until the attack commence. Okay, just now I have just it is just saying 6 successful messages, sent 14, failed 8, but I have received only 2 messages yet. I'm still waiting. Okay, I have received third message now. It is just saying the bomb SMS bomb is completed. I have just received 3 bombs. If we're going to enter the 500 message, it might work. It may give more than 100 messages. Okay, so this bomb completely works. Let me just try for the calling attack. If I go for the call bomber, okay, country code, number of calls, max is 15. Let me get just 2. Delay time 4 seconds. Number of threads 1 and enter. Let's just wait. Let me just turn on the volume of my phone. You can hear if it rings. It is just saying that the bomb has been completed, but I haven't received any call. I haven't received any call yet. Okay. I think the only the SMS bombing is working. The call bombing isn't working. So let me just close this one. Exit. I think you guys might have understand how this tool works. It is it isn't 100% sure that this code will work in your country or not. But in India it is working, but not the 100%. Out of 10 messages, I have just received 3 messages. But in your country, it might work properly. So you can just try. Okay. Best of luck. And if you need any help regarding this tool or any other tool, or do you want any kind of video on any tools or recommendations, or do you have any kind of problem with the hacking, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out as soon as possible. If you have any suggestion for the tutorial, for the next tutorial video, please let me know. We'll help you out. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.